Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to be blinking an LED using NodeMCU. This is the NodeMCU which we are going to be using, and the platform that we are using to program this NodeMCU is Arduino IDE. This is the IDE where we are going to write the code and program our NodeMCU. So the hardware components that are required are breadboard, NodeMCU, registers, LED, jumper cable, data cable, and multimeter. These are the hardware set which we require. At the software side, this is the code. So take the breadboard and the NodeMCU. Make sure that since we are using the digital pins, this pin, so I am going to place this on this side of the board and press it. Okay. So next, I am going to take a resistor. You can take any ohm of resistor, but it should be a quarter watt. And connect one pin of the resistor to the pin D2. And insert it. We are going to take the LED. As you can see, LED has two legs. One is shorter leg, this is the shorter leg, this is the longer leg. We know that the longer leg is the positive one and the shorter one is the negative one. So we are going to connect one of the leg, that is the positive leg of the LED to the at the resistor side, and take our jumper cable, connect one end of the jumper cable to the negative of the LED and another side pin to the ground of the NodeMCU. This is the connection which we have done. So before programming this, you need to remove the ground pin from the NodeMCU. Why? Because while we are coding, this enters into a boot system which continuously blinks this LED and the LED might get short. Okay. So now take the data cable, insert the pin into the pin of the NodeMCU and connect this side of the pin to the system. Okay. Now, while connecting, a blue LED has been blinked, which means that our board is connected to the system. Now, go to your Arduino IDE and select the board here. We need to search for NodeMCU. Since we are using the NodeMCU for our project, select the NodeMCU 1.0 and hit OK. Then go to the tools, go to the port, and here you can see there is COM9 port, which is our NodeMCU port. Click on it, and first we will compile the code and verify whether there are any errors in it. It might take a while. If there is no error, we will be getting a message. This is the message that we will get. And now we will upload the code in our NodeMCU and hit upload. This must this step might also take some time. Now the code is being uploaded in the NodeMCU. As you can see, the LED on the NodeMCU is getting blinked, which means the code is being uploaded. Okay. Now connect the ground pin, the one which we removed, to the ground of the NodeMCU, and let's see the result. As you can see, the LED is blinking for every 3 seconds. Now it's on for 3 seconds, and now it's off for 3 seconds. This is the simple code how to blink an LED. Now let's talk about the troubleshoot. Here, if your LED is not blinking, either it might be the fault of the resistor, or it might be the fault of the LED, or the connection, or this data cable, or you have not properly uploaded the code, or you have not properly installed the library of the NodeMCU. So let's talk about the register. Okay, you need to make sure that if your LED is not blinking, you might be using a higher value register. Since here I am using a 500 from it's like around since I am using a register of 330 ohms, you might be using a higher value register, which might cause the dimness of the LED. Use a lesser value of register and check the value of the register before placing the register between the LED and the NodeMCU. To check the value of the resistor, take the multimeter and place it in the resistance and check the value of the resistor. As you can see, it's showing around 30 ohm. If you are not getting any value, if you are not getting any value like this one, like 1, or you need to increase this one, so to get the value of the resistor. Okay. Now let's place the resistor as it was before into this pin and to our D2 pin. As you can see, the LED is glowing. Now the second is the LED. As I told you, the LED has 2 pins. One is positive pin, one is negative pin. The longer one is the positive, the shorter one is the negative. If you have placed this in the opposite direction, like the ground towards the resistor and the positive towards the ground, in this way, the LED won't glow. Since it's a diode, it limits the current. It's like in a reverse bias. If I place how it was like before, like positive to positive and negative to negative, the LED will start to glow again. And you need to check whether the LED got short or not. To check the LED whether it's got short or not, you need to pull the LED, go to the multimeter, place it in a diode configuration, and check the continuity of the meter, whether it's in a multimeter, and you will hear a beep. Okay. Now let's take the LED, take the positive pin of the LED and positive pin of the multimeter and connect to it. Take negative to the negative pin and see whether the LED is glowing or not. If the LED is glowing, it's working. And if I place it in a reverse manner, the LED won't be glowing. Means the LED is not short and it's in a working condition. Now let's place the resistor in the same place. Second comes the pin. If you have not connected this pin to the ground, or like if you have connected to different pin, you won't be able to getting any output. As you can see, there is no output since I didn't connected it to the ground pin. If I connect it to the ground pin, the LED will glow. And you need to check the port of the data cable which are connected here for the code uploading is working or not. To do that, you need to go to the tools and check the port. If the port is not visible here, that means your NodeMCU is not getting didn't connected to the system. And another is the library of the NodeMCU. I will be giving you the link in the description for the NodeMCU. And in the next video, we will be discussing how to install the libraries of the NodeMCU. And there is another one. You need to check whether your NodeMCU got short or not. While you are uploading the code, if you got any error like it's not able to, if it got like any port error or like anything, then it might be the problem of the NodeMCU that it got short. Thank you.